In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Zoho CRM trial account with a full 25 guide. If you've decided that Zoho CRM isn't the right fit for your needs right now, or perhaps you're just looking to streamline your various online accounts, don't worry, I'm here to help you navigate the steps to get this done easily and efficiently. Let's begin by logging into your Zoho CRM account and navigating to the home page. Once you're at the home page, look for the personalized dashboard layout unique to Zoho CRM and make sure you're comfortably familiar with its interface. This is important as it helps in easily locating the options we need to proceed with account deletion. Next, move your cursor to the settings or highlighted section on your screen, typically indicated by a gear icon or a settings label. Click on this highlighted area. This action will open up additional options relevant to your account management. Now you should be seeing a list of options under your account profile. Carefully search and click on the My Account tab. This section is crucial as it provides you with all relevant information and options related to personal settings and preferences across all Zoho services linked to this account. After you've clicked My Account, we're going to head over to the settings. The settings button is usually represented by a gear icon, making it easy to recognize. Click on it to access a variety of privacy settings pertinent to your Zoho CRM experience. This area is where you have control over your personal data and configurations within Zoho. Now, in these settings, navigate to the option labeled Close Account. This choice is purposely placed down the menu since it's a significant change to your status with Zoho. The option might not be immediately visible and you might need to scroll down a bit depending on your screen size or resolution. At this point, you'll have navigated to a new page with some last checks and warnings regarding closing your account. Carefully read any provided information. Zoho typically gives a rundown of the consequences of account closure, ensuring users know precisely what will happen to their data and services once they proceed. Once you're certain of your decision, look for the confirmation button labeled Close Account. Acknowledge any prompts or confirmations that pop up, as these are designed to ensure that the closure is intentional. This final click will begin the closure process. There you have it, folks, a simple yet thorough walkthrough on how to delete your Zoho CRM trial account. It's always a good practice to ensure that your decision to close an account is final, as data recovery post-closure can be complex or even impossible. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful guides in the future.